Students, we will do chapter 7, which is financial arithmetic. It's the name of the chapter, exercise 7C, question number 8. Now let's read the question. The question is that Mr. Chaudhary purchased a house for rupees 6.1 lakh. 6.1 lakh means 6 lakh and 10,000 and spend a rupees of 30,000 on its repairs. Students, repair means that to mend a house, to renovate a house. He spends 30,000 to renovate the house and he purchased the house for 6 lakh 10,000. He then sold it for rupees 8 lakh. Students, you should note that what is given. Sold means sale price is given, and purchased mean cost price is given, but purchased two cost prices are given, 6.1 lakh and 30,000. 6.1 lakh is the purchase price and the repair price is 30,000, or renovate, you can say mend the house. So two cost prices are given, that is 6.1 and 30,000. Both are cost prices, and sale price is given, which is 8 lakh. Find the gain percent, and gain means profit. Gain percent means profit percent is required. We have to find the profit percent. Now let's write the given. Given is Mr. Chaudhary purchased house 6.1 lakh, means 6 lakh 10,000. He purchased the house for 6 lakh 10,000 and repair cost is 30,000. Actually it is also a cost price, and sale price is 8 lakh, and required is gain percent. Gain percent means profit percent. We should write here what is required. Gain means profit percent. We have to find the profit percent. Now let's solve it. Mr. Chaudhary purchased house 6.1 lakh. 6.1 lakh is given in the question in the decimal form. Let's write in numbers. In numbers we will write 6 lakh 10,000 like this. Look, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 6 lakh 10,000. And expense, repair expenses or renovating to mend the house, his expense was 30,000. Okay, now we have to find the cost price. When we'll add these two amounts, we will get the cost price. Now the total cost on house will be the purchase price plus repair price. Purchase price is 6 lakh 10,000 and repair price is 30,000. When we will add these two costs, it will gives us 6 lakh 40,000, and 6 lakh 40,000 is the actual cost price of the house, and sale price is 8 lakh. And you should keep it in your mind that what we have to find out, we have to find out gain percent or profit percent. Now using formula find profit. Okay, first we will find profit, then we will find profit percent, because in the question profit is not given and they are asking find profit percent, and in the formula of profit percent we need to use the value of profit. Look at this. The formula to find out profit percent is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. We need the value of profit, which is not given in the question, so we have to find out the value of profit by using formula. And the formula to find the profit is sale price minus total cost price. Sale price is 8 lakh and total cost price is 6 lakh 40,000. How 6 lakh 40,000? Purchase price plus repair price. 6 lakh 10,000 plus 30,000. 6 lakh 40,000 is the total cost price. Now we were finding the formula, we were finding the profit using formula Using formula, find profit. Profit is sale price minus total cost price. Sale price is 8 lakh. Total cost price is 6 lakh 40,000. Subtract and it will gives us 1 lakh 60,000. It means that he got profit 1 lakh 60,000 is the profit. Now we have all the values. We have the value of profit, we have the value of cost price. We can find percentage profit using formula to find profit percent. The formula of profit percent is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Look, we have the value of profit, we have the value of cost price. The value of profit is 1 lakh 60,000. Cost price is 6 lakh 40,000 multiplied by 100. Now students, you can directly multiply 1 lakh 60,000 by 100 and divide it by 6 lakh 40,000. But I will not recommend you to multiply these two numbers and divide the product by this number. I will not recommend you. You should know that whenever there is multiplication of a fraction, look, it's a fraction. One number is in the numerator and other is in the denominator. It's a fraction. Whenever there is multiplication of a fraction with a number, always look for the cancelling. And what is the rule of the cancelling? We can cancel, look, there are two zeros in the denominator. Actually there are four zeros, but we will cancel these two zeros of 100 which is in the numerator with the two zeros, with these two zeros which are in the denominator. In the next step, again we will write 1 lakh 60,000 in the, no, yes, 1 lakh 60,000 we will write in the numerator, and 6,400 in the denominator. Well, look, this is 1 lakh 60,000 multiplied by 1 gives us 1 lakh 60,000. Any number multiplied by 1 doesn't change the number. 1 lakh 60,000 we will write as it is. And now we will cancel the two zeros of denominator with two zeros of numerator. Now what is left? 1,600 upon 64. Students, now you can divide these two numbers and it will give you 25. It means that profit percent is 25. 25% means that out of 100 his profit is 25 rupees.